Come with me to fall in love with nature. Come to feel the nature with plant care like soil, repotting, making cuttings, and plants that are quite rare to plants that are super popular and their leaf care. From supporting them, nurturing them, to make them breathe. Come to heaven in a scent of air. Just come with me. From plants that add colors to your eyes, plants that allows you to be creative with space, corner and lights, plants that give peace to your minds, plants that makes your home aesthetically bright, from plants that wakes your inner child, views that are peacefully wild, to plants that makes you an artist for a while. Come with me. Come, feel the joy of creating new life. Bring a plant and bring a new smile. Come, touch them, feel them, love them, and let's make a greener life. Just come with me to fall in love with nature.